How to win 3 times on the Style Showdown game mode on Dress to Impress. So to win 3 times for me is actually pretty simple. Make sure you don't have more than 6 players. It is easier if you play like super at night for some reasons. For me, I played like at 1 and there was barely nobody there. I don't know how like the servers like work, like based off like time. So my advice to you is to play when there's barely anybody around. You do need a minimum of 6 players though, so make sure there's 6 players. Sometimes even if there's like 6 players, people will just leave the game. That's how I got lucky, and that's how I won like a few rounds, like a few wins, because I did like play at night and somehow there was like only 2 people left and like I got the most votes, so I won. It is pretty easy for me. I'm not sure about you, but it is again a little bit easier if there's only 6 players. Fast walk is something that is important because it's the like rounds are only 3 minutes and not 6. Well, those are the tips that I have. There's also the tip is to play with friends so that they can vote for you. I know that's like, I don't know, something kind of like by luck. I meant like, it's just easier to play with friends so they can vote for you. I'm like trying to multitask at the same time. It's very hard. But it is easier if you have friends so that they can like vote for you. But I only won once because I was playing with friends. But if you don't have friends who play Dress to Impress, that is totally fun. You don't have to, you know. Play with friends. Again, that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.